tea. Oh, good. A cup of tea. I can't wait.
Okay, so make the tea.
Me?
Yes, make the tea.
Make the tea? Me?
Why not?
Alright, what do I have to do? I mean, how do you make the tea?
Huh? He doesn't know how to make tea.
Okay, Jerry, how do you make the tea?
I don't know.
Listen up, it's easy. We'll some water in the kettle.
Put kettle on the stove. Light a match.
Turn on the gas.
And light the gas. Then put some tea in the teapot.
It sounds a bit complicated.
Oh, come on. It's easy.
Listen up, you don't have to make the tea.
Oh, good.
You can get from the coffee.
Okay, see you later.
Wait a minute.
What?
You don't know what we want yet.
Oh, yes, what else? Sarah?
I would like a cup of tea with no milk and no sugar.
One tea, no milk, no sugar. Jean?
I like a cup of tea with lots of milk and no sugar.
Lots of milk, no tea, right?
No sugar.
No sugar, right.
I'd like a lemon tea and a big cream cake.
A lemon cake and a cream tea.
Careful.
What do you want, Martin?
A lemon and a soda.
With milk and sugar?
Of course.
Okay, let me get it right. Sarah, you want the one tea and no milk and no sugar?
Yes, no. Second toast, I think I prefer coffee.
Coffee.
Yes, a cup of coffee with milk and sugar.
Right, so it's one coffee with milk and sugar and one tea with milk and sugar.
No sugar.
No sugar. Right, Jerry, you want the lemon tea and the big cream cake.
That's right.
And Martin, what do you want?
A lemon and a soda.
With milk and sugar?
Of course.
Okay, see you in a minute.
Where's Tom? He's late.
I'm here. Sorry, I'm late. Right, so it's one coffee with milk and sugar, and lemon and sugar, lemon and cream, and one big sugar cake. Alright, Martin,
Yes?
Go and make some tea.
Asla kendisi patronun yanaklarına.
Birisi Mert bize puf ya.
Bacağı kırıldı yani. Çok
Heja.
Bir dakika sen kalk mı dedin? Yo yo oraya. Evet.